deadline.
Hello, Korea. How are you? Hello, Korea.
감사합니다, Korea.
Black Adam in your area.
Black Adam is in your area. Oh, so thank you.
지금 저는 블랙 아담 레드카펫이랑 뉴욕 프리미어, 월드 프리미어 행사를 참가하기 위해서 뉴욕에 지금 다시 오랜만에 해외 출장을 나가게 되었습니다. 지금 삐약이님은 LA에서 배우님들을 이미 만나고 인터뷰를 어제 마치셨다고 해요. 삐약이님은 LA에서 뉴욕으로 다시 오실 거고, 레드카펫 행사랑 프리미어 행사를 합류하러 저는 이제 뉴욕으로 향합니다.
뉴욕 전체를 무대로 하고 있는 블랙 아담. 이미 드웨인 존슨, 노아 센티네오 등 주연 배우들 인스타그램 스토리를 통해 월드 프리미어에 대한 기대감을 엿볼 수 있었다. 벌써부터 기대되는 블랙 아담 월드 프리미어. 많은 팬들과 언론사들이 블랙 아담을 기다리고 있었다. 다양한 인플루언서들도 초대받아 블랙 카펫을 즐기고 있었다. 이제 본격 블랙 아담 월드 프리미어 행사가 시작되었다.
See the movie once, twice, maybe 3 times. Bring your family, bring your friends.
Bring your friends, take them back. If you got a birthday party, take them to the movie.
Sure. Hello, Korea. Love you. Haven't been there too long, but I can't wait to come back and bring another movie to you guys. You guys are the best. Look, the truth is that I'd love to pick one scene. So the whole movie is the scene. That's what I'm going to say. From beginning to end, you're going to feel the rumble. You'll feel the wind. Black Adam flies everywhere. He splashes in water. There's heat. There's fire. It's everywhere.
Hello, Korea.
Oh my God, thank you. Black Adam is in your area. That's what I feel. You know that emoji that goes, that's my head right now. That's been my head for years.
감사합니다, Korea. Hi, South Korea. Hi, Seoul. Hi, Busan. Hi, Osan. It's incredible. This movie's never been done before, which is amazing. Now you get to bring a whole universe to life. It's an incredible experience.
I think your character was so adorable.
Thank you.
Out of your area. I never could have imagined this, like, having grown up. Like, I watched DC movies my entire life, like Batman and Superman movies and everything. I never thought I was going to be the one on the screen one day, but now here I am. It's all so real. It's me in some of them. In a lot of the crazy things, I do have a stunt double. I just had fun and I wanted to do as many as I did.
Black Adam in your area. I think there's a couple of scenes that are great to watch on a big screen. I haven't seen the movie yet, so I think you can tell me more about what scene. Now.
Right now. It's the first time. Are you excited?
I am, yeah. I'm very curious.
Oh, ridiculous. I didn't even know how to act. When my agent told me I had gotten it, I was like, thank you. Like, it was that awkward. Is redefining or reorganizing their thoughts about justice and liberation. That's something that's happening in the world, and I commend this movie so much for being able to talk about that and really push it forward and redefine the superhero genre in a way where everyone is looking for a hero in this world today, right now, always and forever. And we should redefine what that means. So, and question it.
Hello, Korea. How are you? Forgive me if I'm wrong, but in Korean, in terms of saying hello, do we say "안녕하세요"?
Yeah,
Perfect.
So look, to the fans, check it out. This is the biggest, most explosive DC film that you have seen yet. You're gonna get Black Adam, but you're also gonna get JSA in their full glory. Nothing is wasted, nothing's left on the table. You're gonna get the biggest action film you've ever seen. So go check it out if you want to get on that roller coaster ride. It's worth it.
Wow, that's crazy. I felt honored. I felt very excited. and I felt like a weight of responsibility to do justice to the role. I had known that Dwayne had been wanting to make this for well over a decade, and it was his passion project.
Deadline. Big deadline.
I think the best position that I can be for DC is one as advisor, where I can help and I can help greatly. I love DC to my blood as a little boy. I grew up loving the Super Friends, specifically Superman. I saw my first Black Adam comic, and it was arresting to me. His face was intense, he looked cool, looked different, badass, he had brown skin, so automatically I was related to him. So I am DC through and through.
너무나도 기대되는 블랙아담. 드웨인 존슨표 DC 히어로는 참을 수 없지. 한국에서 개봉하면 바로 달려가서 봐야지. The end.